She's too smart for you idiots.
Your rifles are garish and vulgar.
They're American, you fucking surrender monkey.
Oh.
Really think you could tell me without me knowing?
Surrender monkey?
You never heard that one?
No. It makes no sense in my head.
For the French surrender. But why
We've
monkey?
taken out more superheroes than anyone in the world. And Homelander would like it if you killed them. Consider it your final audition.
Audition for what?
The sooner they're dead, the sooner you'll find out.
You really don't have powers. You gonna believe this shit, girl?
They're both gonna be in the 7.
What are you doing?
You got pink eye.
Oh, pink eye. Too much tossing
It's allergies. It's allergies. Achoo. Shut the
Achoo.
Yo, y'all suck. Y'all really have that up.
Do it, Kimiko.
Y'all are trash.
Woo! Which one's the real one? Oh, the one with the black.
The one with the nice shirt or the normal shirt?
I would never keep the real one on site.
Right? Duplicate.
Like duplicate. Oh god, we gotta see it. Hey. Oh.
Oh, that's why they got generic white shirts.
I don't like that. I don't like
That's
that.
cool though.
The effects have gotten.
Start shooting.
Right? Chop these boys down, dog. What are you doing?
Ugh. Smart. She is a genius. You gotta respect the game, man.
Yeah, she's great.
Damn.
She's terrific.
These assholes are CIA. Genuine deep state moles. They've taken out more superheroes than anyone in the world. And Homelander would like it if you killed them.
Really?
Consider it your final audition.
Audition for what?
The sooner they're dead, the sooner you'll find out.
You be in 7 with limited powers.
Oh, I'm gonna send your ass back to China, bitch.
She's Japanese.
Same difference.
Oh, pink eye.
No. It's allergies.
Shut the
No!
How many more? That's not fair. There's like 10 of you. Oh boy. I wonder how that affects them.
Yeah, you see the leader? Did they all go?
Come on, Chuck.
Produce more.
Ew. Ig.
I was wondering about the clothes.
Oh, those are guns.
Your rifles are garish and vulgar.
They're American, you fucking surrender monkey.
Ooh.
Marvin, did you really think you could tell me without me knowing?
So what now?
Consider it your final audition.
Audition for what?
The sooner they're dead, the sooner you'll find out.
Oh, pink eye. Too much.
No. It's allergies. You've been eating too much ass, and then they all get it.
Shut the fuck up.
No!
Yes, he was splitting another people in the
Okay,
fucking
so that's
room
what
too.
that- okay.
All that noise was.
Ew.
You got his face.
Yo, this power is gross.
Correct. I was wondering about that, if the phone message was a misdirect.
And Homelander would like it if you killed them. Consider it your final audition.
Audition for what?
The sooner they're dead, the sooner you'll find out.
Is she gonna do it?
Oh, I'm gonna send your ass back to China, bitch.
She's Japanese.
What are you doing? Pink eye. Too much tossing, huh? It's allergies. Achoo.
Shut the fuck up.
Achoo.
What happens if you kill them?
Do they respawn like
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering.
duplicate?
I don't know. Oh, yeah, there we go. Oh, it hurts though.
And they're naked.
That's interesting. 'Cause you never see it that way. Ew.
Hell no.
Yeah. Oh my.
I sure did.
Damn. I knew it.
Toss your guns.
I don't have any. Damn it. Oh no.
You're not as impressive as I heard.
Butcher.
Oh, she doesn't know.
Send your ass back to China, bitch.
First of all.
Ooh, y'all got
They got
pink eye.
Oh, pink eye. Too much tossing, huh?
No. It's allergies. It's allergies.
Achoo.
Shut the fuck up.
He said achoo. Not achoo. Oh, well. Can you make more? He making more.
Oh, he is like Triple K.
I didn't want to see the live action version though. Cause now you naked, huh?
Shoot the original! Oh my god.
Which, well,
They've taken out more superheroes than anyone in the world. And Homelander would like it if you killed them. Consider it your final audition.
Audition for what?
The sooner they're dead, the sooner you'll find out.
The 7?
You're not as impressive as I heard.
Where's Butcher? Maybe he's around?
Oh, I'm gonna send your ass back to China, bitch.
She's Japanese.
What are you doing?
Pink eye?
Pink eye. Too much cellar tossing, huh?
No.
It's allergies. It's allergies. Achoo.
Shut the fuck up.
Now!
Pink eye from fucking. Split off more? Is he naked when he splits or what? 'Cause they all had different clothes, you know?
And there weren't several piles of clothes.
She said 9 p.m. in the deep blue sea room.
I sure did.
Oh. Shit.
Toss your guns.
Too easy. Butcher's gonna save them? Yeah.
Your rifles are garish and vulgar.
They're American, you surrender monkey.
They're Goddamn.
He's the CIA, and Homelander would like it if you kill them. Consider it your final audition.
Audition for what?
The sooner they're dead, the sooner you'll find out.
Damn. What's she gonna do for her powers?
You're not as impressive as I heard.
Kimiko?
Oh, I'm gonna send your back to China, bitch.
She's Japanese.
Oh, not this guy.
Oh, pink eye.
You got pink eye?
Too much salad tossing, huh? No. It's allergies. It's allergies.
Oh. Nasty.
No!
I'm gonna send you back to China.
Please, get rid of these guys. They're so gross.
Oh! Oh my god. It's because Kimiko's drunk. Oh my god.
It looks so painful when he clones himself. Or not clone, he's duplicating.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. I knew she knew.
These assholes are CIA. Genuine deep state moles. And Homelander would like it if you killed them. Consider it your final audition.
Audition for what?
The sooner they're dead, the sooner you'll find out.
Well, that's not gonna happen.
Oh, I'm gonna send your ass back to China, bitch.
Bye, Firecracker.
What are you doing?
Pink eye?
Oh, pink eye. It's allergies. Achoo.
Shut the fuck up.
No!
Achoo. If Kimiko wasn't drunk, this would be a lot easier. Oh, duplicate does it better. Oh, that looks awful. With wiener. With wiener.
Oh no. It's a trap.
These assholes are CIA. Genuine deep state moles. And Homelander would like it if you killed them.
That's an order.
Consider it your final audition.
Audition for what?
The sooner they're dead, the sooner you'll find out.
Yeah, good luck.
This is how you make a squad that actually wants to be there.
Yeah, that's true.
And do what you want to do. Oh.
What are you doing?
Got pink eye.
Yeah, they got the pink eye.
Pink eye. Too much salad tossing, huh?
Oh, shit. Yeah, they're always ready.
Yeah, she got powers too, bitch.
Oh, go. It's like duplicate. Oh.
Ooh, I wonder if that hurt. It probably hurts, huh?
Yeah. It's just like duplicate, except gross.
Hell no.
There's so many hanging dongs.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah. Yeah, she's been onto them.
Your rifles are garish and vulgar.
They're American, you fucking surrender monkey.
Was that a French joke?
Yeah.
These assholes are CIA. Genuine deep state moles. They've taken out more superheroes than anyone in the world.
Probably true.
Consider it your final audition.
Audition for what?
The sooner they're dead, the sooner you'll find out.
I don't think Sage knows that Kimiko is Kimiko.
I don't know.
And she's gonna leave before she finds out.
Send your ass back to China, bitch.
She's Japanese.
Oh, pink guy. Too much cellar tossing, huh?
No. It's allergies. It's allergies. Achoo.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh, their only power is that they're twins. Okay. Or that they're copies of...
Yeah.
But they'll keep getting up until he's taken out.
Oh, he can just, yeah, multiply.
Oh.
It's like duplicate, kind of.
Or multiple man.
Right.
I had a feeling she's setting him up. Damn.
Oh, shit.
And Butcher will be the only one who can come save him.
They're American, you fucking surrender monkey.
Surrender monkey? What the hell?
These assholes are CIA. Genuine deep state moles. They've taken out more superheroes than anyone in the world. And Homelander would like it if you killed them.
No.
You're at your final audition.
Audition for what?
The sooner they're dead, the sooner you'll find out.
Butcher, where you at? Is he gonna take some more temp V?
What are you doing?
Oh, pink guy.
Oh!
Oh my god.
No!
Yeah, allergies.
Yeah,
Oh,
honestly, get rid of them.
damn.
Get rid of them.
Oh, he has to keep splitting himself. Oh my
Yuck,
god.
that looks painful.
Oh, why does he have to be naked? Why?
Oh my god, man.
Oh, what show is that from? It's like I Dream of Jeannie or something?
Nah. No.
Something. It's from something.
I sure did.
Uh-oh. Jesus, those are big guns.
These assholes are CIA. Genuine deep state moles. They've taken out more superheroes than anyone in the world.
Interesting.
And Homelander would like it if you killed them. Consider it your final audition.
Audition for what?
The sooner they're dead, the sooner you'll find out.
What are you doing?
Oh, pink guy.
Ew!
Cellar tossing, huh?
No. It's allergies.
Pink eye? Serious?
Oh shit. That's wild.
That's so gross. Oh, full frontal. We get a full front. Oh, we get multiple full frontals.
She's the smartest hero. Like, you got, like, that's what I'm saying. How do you get 10 steps ahead of the smartest person in the world?
That's why I just said that. I'm like, nigga, she knows they're dead.
Right, bitch.
You're not as impressive as I heard.
She knows exactly who they are. Butch is gonna save them, though.
Send your ass back to China, bitch.
Oh my god.
What are you doing?
Sneaking up pink eye, nigga!
No.
Too much Santa Claus.
Yeah, he was the nigga that was doing that shit. Why didn't you show the dick, though? I don't get it.
Kimiko.
You're all naked. Oh my god, no!
Why are we doing close up on the dicks?
Oh, well.
You gotta get the main one in the back who keeps spawning more. Yeah.
Yep.
Let's go. This is the boys right here.
Bro, you can split as many as you want. None of you can fight.
Yeah, go. I would run away, dog. keep splitting from the back room and have them run in. That's great.
Oh my god, he's gonna drown him in chocolate!
Mother's Milk and Dix. Name a more iconic duo. How is she even contending with Kimiko?
Well, in the head though.
She's like, what's her name from Young Justice?
The Marvelous Mrs. Rachel?
What?
I think it's just a bat mitzvah. Was there a Marvelous Mrs. Maisel convention next door?
Yep.
What is happening?
Did they get the rights to this, or is that a Prime show?
How is this happening?
Oh man. Yes, get that. Get that cloth done. Oh no. Oh wow. This is a mess.
How does Rachel Brosnahan relate?
Oh. Oh man. Yes, get in the photo booth. Nice. Good trope. I like it. Yes.
Is that dangerous?
He's gonna drown him in fondue chocolate.
Oh, okay. That took him out?
That was,
I don't understand what happened.
Very short-lived.
Death by chocolate.
Yeah.
Nah, get back up, get back up.
Oh, this is a damn.
Wow. The Marvelous Miss Rachel.
Oh, shit. Bro, please stop doing this.
The main one.
He's hiding back. They gotta get to him.
They fighting in the fucking booth?
The fucking bitch.
Oh, that's gross.
Get away from me, pink guy.
It's a bar mitzvah. Oh, it's a bat mitzvah.
Wow. Is that another Amazon show?
It's an Amazon show, yeah. Oh, we just don't care.
Sirs, you're naked. Did you forget you're naked?
Y'all just ruined that girl's party.
She just wanted to turn 15.
The Marvelous Miss Rachel.
Oh, the monk?
Yeah, it looked like one.
Tony Shalhoub.
Bunch of naked guys with guns coming.
Why did they just shot? Well, you didn't want to see what's happening.
Me too.
So was he. Today.
So were they.
Just stay back and keep sending new people in.
Yes, yeah. Not the fondue!
What?
It's boiling hot. Oh, that was a great one.
Uh-oh. It keeps splitting. There's more and more.
Get away from me, pink guy.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh.
This episode is so nuts.
I know, literally.
Literally. Straight glizzies.
Oh my god. It's like, oh. Damn, they straight up showing their.
Who are they?
Oh. Here we go. Let's go.
Oh, God. Why do they keep having to be naked?
I guess they just naturally split without clothes because they wouldn't make sense to.
Yeah.
Duplicate the clothes too. It's realistic.
How come Kimiko just doesn't kill her? Oh! Not the fondue. Oh, God, that must be horrible.
Oh!
Drown in chocolate?
Yeah. Well, I feel like it's like drowning and it's hot, right? Oh, not the pink eye! Oh, that's so nasty. Uncircumcised. Or circumcised. I don't know. I'm not getting close enough to inspect. Circumcised. Sorry, Dad. Xander, I'm so interested to see how you're gonna edit this, buddy. Kimiko, just snap her neck already. What do you mean? No, it's a chocolate fountain. Oh well, yeah, you don't want to be in that part of it. But if you're gonna die, being drowned by chocolate. I mean, Augustus Gloop was like this close to heaven. I am so tired of seeing wiener. I should know by now on this show, they're gonna show you a lot of wiener.
Through this club, this is gonna be a pain in the ass to edit.
Oh no!
Oh no! Tony Shalhoub.
Gently walk out.
Oh jeez.
Oh no. All out brawl.
You gotta knock them all out before they split up. They're still throwing down. That's awesome. Oh shit!
You just been chocolated.
Oh
no!
Shit!
Get away from the PK!
I mean, good for him. He's packing a dick. You know what I mean? Like that's.
Yeah.
That's not nothing.
Yeah.
Brandon, please be careful with the blurring of the penises in this.
Yeah.
I love the rock version of this song. That's great. Ooh.
Get away from me, pink guy!
Yeah, don't touch me.
There's just so much penis in this fight.
Yeah. Please just be an act.
Well, no, she's down for a few seconds until she heals, right?
Oh, thank goodness. Oh, there's another one. Oh, here we go. Oh my god, this guy needs to stop splitting himself.
Yuck, man. Yeah. Absolute buffoon.
I was like gonna drown him. Oh. Wow, how unfair is that?
Get away from me, pink guy!
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
But we know it should be alright.
I really thought Butcher was gonna come in.
You are not fucking with Miss Rachel. Right? YouTube?
How's
children's
How's there a bar mitzvah going on at this event?
What is oh my god, dude. Please stop doing that, for the love of God.
The show is so outrageous.
Death by chocolate, literally?
Oh, get away from me, pink guy!
Oh!
Oh, just wait for this.
I don't get it. I just don't understand. It don't make sense. Fuck him up! I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna be so heated like. Nigga, like, you gonna put some clothes on? You come to fight, gang? Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, shit.
Tony Shalhoub.
No wonder she put you in the friend zone, mate.
Ooh.
Oh my god. Oh, was that in the nuts?
Crowbar City. Oh, yeah.
The show is wild.
Oh. Yeah, why not?
We could watch the movie Kill. This is already
Some Walking Dead shit.
What happened to the bodies? They just
They all stay there.
They don't like poof. Like
it's not Naruto.
True. So he's actually
still alive.
creating like full on body.
We loved you.
Oh no, they're all
They're
dying.
gone.
From your first Holocaust hoax video. You know, you.
Oh shit.
All right, Firecracker, your turn.
Why would you ever come out with the real one?
Right? I would be at home.
Are you sure you don't get her?
Run.
Why?
Maybe it's a distance thing. Maybe they can't travel too far away either.
Oh, before they're like maybe falling dead.
Mm-hmm.
We need more questions answered about his ability.
If he was there, let's just assume he had to be. Or he's an idiot.
I guess he never got
If
into
we're
a
on this
brawl
couch,
like
we
this
can't
either.
split 6 people and expect them to be at our apartment immediately.
Has arrived. Splinter and I are being attacked by CIA agents
Oh no.
infiltrating a Zionist cabal.
Oh boy.
The proof is right here.
Tony Shalhoub.
Firecracker!
Yeah, buddy.
You gonna let me smack your girl like that? No wonder she put you in the friend zone, mate.
Ouch.
Reggie's happy to see him.
I appreciate
no.
it. I appreciate it.
Do something gross, Kimiko.
Yeah, launch the bullet out of the hole.
Oh.
Gone from playing God to playing a bunch of naked dudes writhing on the floor.
Range. She did say she was really strong.
No, not Prime, no!
Oh. Can't produce more clones.
We loved you from your first Holocaust hoax video. You know, you.
There you go.
Yeah.
Is no one gonna stop her?
Yeah, just.
He's playing it off. No.
Yeah.
She's about to get the F up.
Has arrived. Splinter and I are being attacked by CIA agents. The proof is right here.
Fuck is that?
I'm calling on
I'm calling on.
Firecracker! No! You gonna let me smack your girl like that? No wonder she put you in the friend zone, mate.
Facts.
If, big shot. Oh!
If Butcher didn't come back, that was it for them.
It's inevitable.
Yeah, stop.
With dicks on you, bro. It's crazy.
No, not Prime.
Oh,
That
was
is
it?
him.
We loved you from your first Holocaust hoax video. You know, you.
So I guess once
Yeah.
one of them dies, all the rest of them die. Yeah, you gonna run?
And they let her.
Oh, y'all let her go? Oh, I guess.
Splinter and I are being attacked by CIA agents after infiltrating a Zionist cabal.
Oh my god. She's spinning this. It was a bat mitzvah.
I'm calling on all the.
Firecracker! You gonna let me smack your girl like that? No wonder she put you in the friend zone, mate.
Oh.
Here we go. We need the unhinged butcher. Let's go.
That's the Hava Nagila music.
Yeah, I know. It's crazy.
Get the boys out of here!
You can't leave him. Come on. Woo! Is that blasphemous? Ay, ay, ay. Don't pull it out.
First Holocaust hoax video. You know, you.
Oh, they're all dead now.
They accidentally won.
Yeah. Are you just gonna let her run away?
Oh shit. Oh, Fritchie. Oh my gosh, no.
It's too many.
No. Don't.
got no sonic boom. Oh! I forget. I forget.
What do you want to do now?
Once again. You had something to say?
Yeah, I know that's right.
This show is ridiculous.
Don't worry.
It gets easier.
Don't worry. You'll get plenty of solo sex, I promise.
That's not why he crying.
After infiltrating a Zionist cabal. The proof? The proof is right here.
What? Why?
I'm calling on all the proof.
Firecracker! No! No wonder she put you in the friend zone, mate.
The battle theme. Yeah, the battle theme of the bar mitzvah. Yeah.
Get the boys out of here!
Can't leave him. Beating him to death with it.
Oh no, not Prime, no! We loved you from your first Holocaust hoax video. You know, you all
I'll die. Alright, take Firecracker now.
Juice.
Firecracker!
Oh, sure.
You gonna let me smack your girl like that? No wonder she put you in the friend zone, mate.
Oh god, not this guy. Oh my god.
Oh my.
Oh my
Oh
god.
no, not a freaking sausage fest.
Maybe she was. That happened to her because she's drunk.
Get the boys out of here!
No, I think it just takes a while for the bullet to come out.
Why wouldn't they help him? Of course. Oh my god.
How do they stop this guy? He doesn't keep multiplying.
I know. You just gotta kill the main.
Which one is it? Oh!
Oh my god. I think that's the main one guy.
No, not Prime!
Oh, that's
the Prime.
Oh, they're still.
We loved you from your
Did they all
first
die?
Holocaust hoax video. You know, you
Oh.
Oh, no, they're all. Because the Prime is dead.
Where's she gonna go?
Her powers are really that underwhelming. Yeah. Just runs away like a little bee. Thank you. This episode is weird.
I know.
Hella weird.
It's very weird vibe.
Splinter and I are being attacked after infiltrating a Zionist cabal. The proof is right here.
Tony Shalhoub.
You gonna let me smack your girl like that? No wonder she put you in the friend zone, mate.
I want to know how much this actor gets paid, one, to be completely naked in the entire scene, but like how many duplicates of him there are. How do you get paid? Very curious. With the menorah. Mazel tov.
No, not Prime, no!
Prime. They can't make anymore.
We loved you from your first Holocaust hoax video. You know, you
Or let her get away? Thank you. No one said anything.
I'm calling on all the
Oh!
Firecracker!
Did you kill her?
Took you long enough, freaking butcher. Jeez.
With the crowbar. Oh.
Did they get them all?
No, not Prime, no!
Oh, he was the main one?
You know, you
Oh.
What
All right,
happens when-
Chitari.
Yeah, that's what happens when you take out the leader.
I guess so.
Those that fight and run away will live to fight another day. I hope to see her in the future.
Storm has arrived. Splinter and I are being attacked.
I don't think you can show his penis on TikTok.
The proof is right here.
The proof is Tony Shalhoub.
Billy Butcher.
Oh god. It's a lot of skin.
Yeah. Oh!
Music.
Wow.
We loved you from your first Holocaust hoax video.
Damn.
I mean, what the fuck are you gonna do?
Are being attacked by CIA agents. The proof is right here.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
Firecracker!
Oh!
You gonna let me smack your
Butcher!
girl like that? No wonder she put you in the friend zone, mate.
Boom, boom, boom! Look at his face.
Yeah.
He's kidding.
Now they're gonna realize why they need him.
Oh, shit.
Man.
Oh, dude. Oh, dude. Someone help him.
Get the boys out of here!
Yeah. They're gonna help. Oh, shit. Oh, sorry. Oh.
God damn.
I knew some
Yep.
crazy shit was about to happen.
Oh no, not Prime, no!
Is that the original?
It must be.
We loved you from your first Holocaust hoax video.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
That's it, all
'cause they got
dead.
Prime. Wow.
Useless.
And they just let her get away. I guess she's not the main target.
Storm has arrived. Splinter and I are being attacked by CIA agents after infiltrating a Zionist
You just
cabal.
put a dong on your live stream, ban.
Dong.
I'm calling on all the...
Firecracker!
You gonna let me smack your girl like that? No wonder she put you in the friend zone, mate.
Oh shit.
There's so much penis everywhere.
This will be fun to edit. Oh shit. Oh yeah, buddy. The music.
No, not Prime. We loved you.
Oh, you kill the main.
Yeah.
They all go bye-bye. Multiplicity too.
Bye.
Kinda was hoping that Kumiko would rip her in half.
Me too.
Let's go, boys! Ah! Fuck! Oh my god! Bitch! I gotta do something about it. He's the original, right? Yeah.